I'm sick of this shit advice all over YouTube. This is 15 years of music know-how, condensed into as little time as possible, so get ready and learn how to sidechain the pro way. Today I'm going to show you a free ring modulation sidechain plugin that's fast and easy to set up. It does not achieve the same results as if you do it manually, but it's much less work. Also, taste is different. Maybe you like this sidechain effect over the others. So let's have a quick look at how to install the VST3 plugin. Since it's a manual installation process, we need to navigate to our VST3 folder. Then copy the file in there and go to FLSTUDIO and select Fast Scan to add the new plugin. We send our kick to 1, our bass to 2. We duplicate the kick to create the trigger for our kick and send it to channel 3. The bass needs to be routed to channel 4 and our trigger needs to be sidechained only to channel 4. Next we insert the Ringmod sidechain plugin and go to Settings, Processing, and then select our trigger as stereo aux in. Change the gain and the slope according to your taste. For me, I like gain and slope all the way turned up. Let's have a look at the oscilloscope. As we can see, the sidechain works, although it's not as tight as in our previous video. Let's try a shorter trigger. See how the shortening of the kick tightens up the result.